Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education, course Electrical Technician Vocational First Year, Paper 1 Basic Electrical Engineering, topic Work Power Energy, Part 2. Myself Venkatramman Nagula, CJL and ET, Government Junior College, Boys, Godavarkani. Today we have discussed about problems are on work power energy. First of all, a force of 10 newtons is pulling a weight through a distance of 4 meters. Calculate the work done. As we know, work done is equals to force into distance. This is the principle. In this problem, a force is given by 10 newtons and the distance is given by 4 meters. That equals to 10 into 4 equals to 40 Newton meter or joule. This is the answer. Next problem. Second, if a table on the floor is pulled with a force of 4 newtons through a distance of 3 meters in 6 seconds. Calculate the rate at which work done or calculate the power of the person who pulled the table. As we know, power equation equals to work done by time taken. In this problem, work done is that equals to 4 into 3 by 6. That equals to 2 Newton meter per second. 1 Newton meter equals to 1 joule. And Newton into meters by seconds is equals to Newton meter per second, that equals to joules per second equals to watts. Next, third problem. If an engine does a work of 150 kg meter in 4 seconds, calculate the HP of the engine. HP. What is HP? HP is known as horsepower. HP of the engine is equals to work done in kg meter per second by 75. That equals to 150 divided by 4 whole divided by 75. That equals to 1 by 2 HP. That equals to 0.5 HP. This is equals to work done in kg meter by time in minute into 4500. Fourth problem. A 220 volts lamp takes a current of 0.3 amperes and gives light for 100 hours. Calculate its power in watts and in HP. As we know, watts is equals to volts into amperes. In this problem, voltage of the lamp is equals to 220 and current is given by 0.3 amperes. So 220 into 0.3 is equals to 66 watts. Then HP is equals to watts by 735.5. As we know, 1 HP is equal to 735.5 watts. That equals to 66 by 735.5. That equals to 0.0897 HP. HP. Question number 5. A 220 volts electric lamp takes a current of 0.3 amperes and gives light continuously for 16 hours. Calculate the energy consumed in joules, watt hours, kilowatt hours, or board of trade units, or simply units. First, energy equals to V into I into T joules. Then joules is equals to volts into amperes into seconds. In this problem, voltage is given by 220 volts, current is given by 0.3 amperes, and time is 16 hours. Then the time is converted hours into seconds. Then 16 hours is equal 16 hours into seconds. 16 into 60 into 60. Then joules is equals to 220 into 0.3 into 16 into 60 into 60. That equals to 38 lakhs 1600 joules. Joules is equals to watts into seconds. Then B, watt hour. Watt hour is equals to watts into hours. Watts is equals to 220 into 0.3. Watts is nothing but V into I. V is equal to 220, I is equal to 0.3 into hours, 16 hours. That equals to 1056 watt hours. Next C, kilowatt hours. kWh is equals to WH by 1000. That equals to joules by 1000 into 60 into 60. Joules by 36 into 10 to the power of 5. That equals to 38 lakhs 1600 by 36 into 10 to the power of 5. That equals to 1.056 kilowatt hours. This is the problem. Next, the fundamental unit of electrical energy is joule. But as it is very small, the kWh or board of trade unit or unit and has become the practical unit. ప్రాక్టికల్ యూనిట్లో మనం ఏమంటున్నామంటే యూనిట్గా లేదా కిలోవాట్ అవర్స్గా లేదా BOTగా దీన్ని పిలుస్తాము. నెక్స్ట్ 6th క్వశ్చన్. ఏ మ్యాన్ లిఫ్ట్స్ ఏ హెడ్ ఆఫ్ 100 kg through a height of 2 meters in 3 seconds. Calculate the energy spent or work done. Also find out his power. Then work done or energy spent is equals to force into distance moved. As we know, work done is equals to force into distance. This is the principle. That equals to force 100 kg, distance 2 meters. That equals to 200 kg meter. Then Newton meter is equals to 9.8 into kg meter. That equals to 9.8 into 200 equals to 1960 Newton meter. Then horsepower is equals to kg meters per second divided by 75. That equals to 200 by 3 into 75. That equals to 8 by 9 HP. Energy spent in joule equals to energy spent in Newton meter. That equals to 1960 joules. Electric power is equals to watts is equals to joules by seconds. That equals to 1960 by 3 is equals to 653.33 watts. Then 7th problem. Calculate the power of a pump which can lift 100 kg of water to it in a water tank at a height of 19 meters in 25 seconds. Take the value of G is equals to 10 meters per second square. In this lifting water, the pump works against gravity. So work done is equals to M into G into H. That equals to 100 into 10 into 19 equals to 19,000 joules. But power is equals to work done by time. That equals to 19,000 by 25. That equals to 760 watts. Next, billing for the electrical energy consumption or the calculations for the electrical energy consumed. అంటే ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ కన్జంప్షన్ కోసం బిల్లింగ్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అనేది ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో చూద్దాం. జనరల్ ప్రొసీజర్. నెంబర్ 1, an electric heater takes a current of 1.5 amperes at 240 volts and works for 3 hours per day. Calculate the monthly electric bill at the rate of 75 paise per unit. Add 2 rupees as monthly rent for the energy meter. Kilowatt hours is equals to kWh. That equals to units. 240 into 1.5 into 3 by 1000 per day is equals to 1.08 units per day. In this, kWh means V into I into T. Voltage into current taken into time. So that is equals to 1.08 units per day. Units per month. In 1.08 units in only one day. Per month means in 30 days. So 1.08 into 30 days is equals to 32.4 units per month. These are the units per month. So cost of the electrical energy consumed in a month is equals to 32.4 units into 0.75. 0.75 is the unit cost per unit cost. So that equals to 24.3, 24 rupees 30 paisa. This is the overall electrical energy consumed in a month. But in this problem, meter rent is equals to 2 rupees per month. In this problem, meter rent every month 2 rupees. So total monthly electricity bill is equals to electrical energy consumed in a month is equals to 24.3 plus meter rent 2 rupees. That equals to 26.3. 26 rupees 30 paisa is the total monthly electricity bill. Next, second problem. In a house, there are 4 lamps of 60 watts each working for 6 hours per day. 2 tube lights 40 watts each working for 8 hours per day. 4 fans of capacity 80 watts each working for 14 hours per day. And 1 electric iron of 500 watts capacity used for 1 hour per day. The house is closed every Sunday. Calculate the monthly electricity bill based on a tariff of 1 rupee 50 paisa per unit. You may take 4 Sundays per month and 2 rupees as monthly rent for energy meter. So, energy consumed by lamps 4 into 60 into 6, that equals to 1440 watt hours per day. 4 lamps each of 60 watts 6 hours per day. So 4 into 60 into 60, that equals to 1440 watt hours per day. Then same thing, energy consumed by tube lights 2 into 40 into 8, that equals to 640 watt hours per day. Then energy consumed by fans 4 into 80 into 14, that equals to 4480 watt hours per day. Then energy consumed by electric irons 1 into 500 into 1 is equals to 500 watt hours per day. 1 electric iron 500 watts each, 1 hour working every day. So that equals to 500 watt hours per day. So working days in a month is equals to 30 minus 4 is equals to 26 days. In this problem, 4 Sundays will be closed every month. So that's why 30 minus 4 equal to 26 days. We have to take 26 days as the working days. So total kWh is equals to 1440 plus 640 plus 4480 plus 500 is equals to 7060. Then kWh per month is equals to 7060 into 26 by 1000, that equals to 183.56 units per month. Then cost of electrical energy consumed 183.56 into 1.5. 1.5 is the unit rate. Per unit rate is equals to 1 rupee 50 paisa. So that equals to 275.34, 275 rupees 34 paisa. In this problem, meter rent is 2 rupees per every month. So monthly electricity bill is equals to 275.34 plus 2 rupees as the meter rent. The total monthly electricity bill is 277.34 0.34. Next, third problem. An electrical installation consists of 10 light points of 60 watts each, 12 lamps of 40 watts each, 6 fans of 40 watts capacity each, and pump motor of 1/2 HP. Assuming that 50% of lights and fans are used for 6 hours per day and water pump works for 4 hours per day. Calculate the kWh consumed per month and the monthly electricity bill based on a tariff of 1.5 paise per unit. Add 2 rupees as monthly rent for the energy meter. In this, total power of light points is equals to 10 into 60 is equal to 600 watts. Total power of lamps is equals to 12 into 40, 480 watts. Total power of fans 6 into 80 is equals to 480 watts. Total 1560 watts. Therefore, 50% of 1560 watts is equals to 780 watts. In this question, 50% of power consumed in given in question. Watt hours per day is equals to 780 into 6. That equals to 4680 watt hours taken by lights and fans. Power taken by pump motor is equals to 1/2 into 735.5 into 4 is equals to 1471 watt hours per day. Total watt hours consumed per day is equals to 4680 plus 1471 is equals to 6151 watt hours. Therefore, kWh per month is equals to 6151 into 30 by 1000 is equals to 184.53 units. Then cost of energy consumed per month is equals to 184.53 into 1.5 is the 1 rupee 50 paisa is the unit cost. That equals to 276.795. Meter rent is 2 rupees per month. Therefore, total monthly electricity bill is equals to 276.795 plus 2 rupees as the meter rent. That equals to 278 rupees 0.79 paisa. Fourth question. Calculate the bill of electricity charges for the following load fitted in an electrical installation. 20 lamps 100 watts each working 6 hours per day. 10 ceiling fans 80 watts each working 12 hours per day. 1 kilowatts immersion heater working 2 hours per day. 1 HP motor 75% efficiency working 1 hour per day. Calculate the kWh consumed per month and the monthly electricity bill based on a tariff of 1.5 per unit. Add 2 rupees as monthly rent for the energy meter. Light load is equals to 100 into 20 into 6 by 1000. That equals to 12 kWh. 10 ceiling fans 80 watts each 12 hours per day is equals to 80 into 10 into 12 by 1000 is equals to 0.96 kWh. Total light load is equals to 12 plus 0.96 is equals to 12.96 kWh. Then power load 1 kW immersion heater 2 hours per day is equals to 1 into 2 is equals to 2 kWh per day. 1 HP motor having 75% efficiency. Motor input is equal to 1 into 735.5 into 100 by 75. Load for 1 hour per day is equals to 1 into 735.5 into 100 by 75 by 1000 is equals to 0.9806 kilowatt hours. Then total load per month is equals to 30 into 12.96 plus 0.9806 is equals to 418.218 kWh or 418 units. Unit cost is 1.5. Meter rent 2 rupees. Then total bill is equals to 418 into 1.5 plus 2, that equals to 629 rupees. Key concepts: power and power rating, calculation of energy consumption and energy tariff. Activity: list power rating of different loads in watts, kilowatts and HP. Students are directed to note down the rated power of each appliance of his house. Note the working hours of each appliance for one day. Calculate the energy consumption and compare it with energy meter readings. Short answer type questions. 1. Define work and write its unit. Define power and write its units. Define energy, write its units. How to convert HP into watts. Give the name of 10 domestic appliances. Long answer type and numerical questions. A force of 10 newtons is required to push a cycle through a distance of 4 meters. Calculate the work done in Newton meters, kg meters per second. You have to solve this problem. And second question, a domestic installation consists of following: 8 lamps 60 watts working 8 hours per day, 4 tube lights 40 watts working 10 hours per day, 3 fans of 80 watts working for 12 hours per day, 1 electric iron of 500 watts working for 1 hour per day. Calculate the monthly electricity bill at the rate of 1.5 paise per kWh. Meter rent is 2 rupees per month. These problem also you can solve in your home. Next, third question. An office of electrical installation comprises the following loads. Calculate the energy charges paid to the supply authority for the month of November. Energy consumption 2 rupees per unit for lighting load, air conditioner, pump, heater. Calculators are connected to the power circuit. The office worked for 25 days of that month. Meter rent is 6 rupees per month. 60 tube lights 40 watts works 8 hours per day. 4 lamps 60 watt 12 hours per day. 16 fans 80 watts 6 hours per day. This problem also you have to solve at your home. Fourth question. A domestic installation consists of the following: 4 lamps 60 watts working 6 hours per day, 2 tube lights 40 watts working for 12 hours per day, 4 fans of 80 watts working for 12 hours per day, 2 electric irons of 500 watts each working for 1 hour per day. Calculate the monthly electricity bill at the rate of 1.5 paise per kWh. Meter rent is 5 rupees per month. This problem also you have to do. Thank you.